Give me a sec, okay? Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to do today's workshop about Falcon and how to use it. On today's example, we're going to use, I'm going to share my screen a bit. So this example, we're going to use how to use it on the invoices, like invoices processing automation workshop script. So let's get right into it. Give me 1 second to share my screen. Yeah, give me 1 second. I have to use my code ID. All right. Yeah, lovely. Share screen. There you go. Okay, so that's pretty much the full image of the code, and I will explain each one of it from the beginning. Pretty much what we're going to do here is we're going to extract information from the invoice using AI, match invoices to purchase order, approve invoices automatically, and process payment based on the approved invoices. As some of you can see here, I'm using Python 3.7 in case relevant, and of course OpenAI and Falcon. Well, I'm gonna okay, sure, I can do that. First thing I'm gonna need you guys to do is go to this URL right here called marketplace.ai71.ai. For me, it's gonna look like this, but for you guys, it's gonna look slightly different because if you guys are not already in the hub, if you're not already, just go to this place, log in with your lab AI account, and you're gonna receive an API and a token, an API key with tokens. I think it's amount of 10. Yep. And also you're gonna have access to the documentation. Also you can go to the organization, blah blah blah. And you can find the API key here, by the way. I'm gonna click it now because API keys are private, but that's how it's gonna work. I'm going to the documentation, I guess, but we're gonna really need it right now. We can get right into the code. Well, the code obviously starts with load DNV. That DNV, that's pretty much is if you're using your Git repository or you wanna upload your code something publicly, or at least with a colleague or blah blah blah, you have to keep your API key secret. And .env is that's exactly what it's doing. You can see it here. And then I'm using the openai library for this example. So you have openai.openai and your AI71 API key. You're like kind of a Falcon API key, I guess. And yeah, we can start with the first one. The first one is the extract invoice details function. This function is the heart of our AI powered. Is the heart of AI because it sends the invoice text to the AI model. It receives and perceives, let's say, the JSON. Maps the extracted fields, of course, and let's say validate all the required fields. You can required fields, kind of validation. There's kind of the validation here. The next one we can see it's the match the invoice to PO. To purchase, which means purchase order, it stands for, in case you guys don't know. Yeah, the function simply loops to your purchase order to find the matching invoice number. Pretty simple stuff. The approval invoice, I guess it's kind of explanatory by the name. It compares the invoice total to the purchase order total and approving the invoice if they match. We also have the proceed payment. Again, kind of self-explanatory. All you have to do is this is like a placeholder function that simulates a payment precision. Usually you can use like something like Klarna or Streamlit or I don't know what you guys use, but in our case it's just a fake one, a simulation, quote unquote. And the last function is the proceed invoice. Process invoice. This function is everything. It's pretty much everything together. Processing its invoice to our pipeline. Wait, it's kind of hard for me to see the chat as well, so I'm gonna put you on the second screen. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't really have to see my browser. I don't even see your name, Honey. I have nothing in my browser. It's not gonna be. I can show you how to host it if you want to. If you guys have questions, but you don't. I don't really have to right now. But if you have questions or see how to host it, feel free. It's pretty simple. And I just have to have the sample invoice here and the sample purchase order. And all you have to do, I mean, okay, sure, all you have to do also is like make an environment and do it like install openai, install aware, blah blah blah, uninstall all the variables, then run this environment, and then just do python.api. And it's gonna take 16% the invoice, total amount 100 euros, blah blah blah. And that's the response. As you can see, it's extract the details, the invoices, it's invoice number 123, total amount 1k. You can see also somewhere here. And date, I don't know, random date. And then selecting the second number one, Matt's PO found, Matt's purchase order found, still same number, total amount. And yeah, pretty much make the invoice proceed successfully. And then just do the exact same thing for the second one, for the 1.5k. This one have like a small number here difference, and if you can see it, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 to make a small difference. The total and the dates, of course. Oh yeah, dates is yesterday, by the way, because I was testing it yesterday. But you can imagine it's today, you can imagine it's tomorrow, any date you want. Yeah, obviously you can do it manually here. You have to put it yourself, but with some sort of data. Yeah, that's a pretty good example. Oh, you cannot read the code? Sure, I can zoom in if you want to. Is it better now? I'll go send you the code, don't really mind. Give me 1 sec. py. Oh, I don't really have to do it like this. Boom. Yeah, whoops. Ignore the first part. You can see the code here, if it's not really readable. No, it cannot process image of the. It cannot process images of the invoices. It's just a record part for now. For this example. But yeah. Now for the deployment part, since we're kind of fast today. No, I have this. Yeah, sure. We can go here. Go to Streamlit, for example. Yeah, sign in here, I guess. Oh, you're right. My apologies. Yeah, like, go for it. There you go, honey. Yeah, got you. Oh, yeah, also, yeah, you're right. Actually, I didn't realize you didn't see this part. Yeah, for the URL, you have to go here. I forgot that you guys didn't see this. I forgot to say that this is recorded, so you're gonna see the tutorial. Like you can see the right order in the recording part, but for you guys that are here, there you go. That's a URL. If you guys join here, you can log in with your LabLab email account. Really important. And if you join with your LabLab account, you're gonna receive tokens amount of 10 euros amount, $10. Yeah, and if you go here, then you can go to organization and API keys and see your API key. I'm not going to do now because privacy, but you get the point. Also have the documentation here that in my case I'm using this. That is like the oh no wait, this one, sorry, apologies. The OpenAI SDK one. In this example, he's using like a chatbot, but in my case, it's more of a you already give the entrance as the prompt as an invoice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. He's saying it would be a valuable extension to add image text to the converter. Yeah, I mean honestly, we can leave it. Give me a try. Give me 1 second. Yeah, you also have LangChain. You want to connect with the database, of course. And yeah, you can see the documentation. It's not so hard. You know what? Since we are kind of short, this is gonna be a kind. Is there any way to have a synchronized request to speed up responses? Wait, what's the question again? Yeah, we can. He's talking nice. Good approval. And yes, you can do asynchronous, asynchronized, I guess. Asynchronous request to speed up the process in the Python. Uh, Usually you can do it by using the HTTPX, I think it's called, HTTPX library. I would like to say so. Yeah, Python library. I'm kind of thinking if I can do it to right at the spot. I don't think so. But you know what we can do? We can make some changes to the code here. For the images, you can probably do something like, I think it's called PyTest. Yeah, there you go. I don't know if you guys cannot see my entire screen. But if you go here and try to download this library, I haven't tried it myself. We're gonna do like try it together here. Yep, nice. And then I guess you have to make a dev here that's gonna call image to text. Not type today, what the hell. And it's gonna need probably like an image path. And you can do like a try. Let's say with image. Oh yeah, also we have to import stuff from, I think it's called peel, right? Yeah. Import image and import ptesseract. There you go. And now here you can see from image to open the image path as image. Did I? Oh yeah, okay. I was like, what the hell? Is there no way to do this with okay, I will try to make the image real quick, and I will show you also how to do the synchronized one. What I was doing right now, yeah. Yeah, with image you can go, wait, where am I? Yeah. You can do then something like text equals to PyTesseract, obviously, image to, not to data, to string, and then you can go here, image, not image like this. To return, I guess, return text, and then expect, classic expectation as e like this, and then I don't know, return none. And then you have to also put this, I guess, to the procedure invoice. There you go here. Let me see. Yeah, somewhere there, I guess. Yeah, sure, we can put it here. Sorry, I haven't tried it before, so we're gonna do it like together. Here, invoice slash type equals to image, and then invoice text equal to image text, and then it's gonna be like something like this. Wait a second, I need like this part. And actually, this is gonna be, yeah, I just realized it's gonna have to be source because we need to have images now. And then if not, invoice text print, I don't know, failed. And continue. Here else invoice text equals to invoice like this, but here is gonna be text. No, sadly no, it's a chatbot. More or less chatbot, I guess. But yeah, also for the, just to answer kind of fast, it's gonna be, for the previous question, yeah, I'm just gonna do like a bit here. It's gonna be something here, instead of saying like this one, for the asynchronous one, you're gonna say like await asynchronous gather tasks. Like I see like results here. Results is equal to await. I don't have the asynchronous thing here now. It's gonna, and since I think it's called gather task. So it's gonna look something like this for the asynchronous one. Other than text, well, not really. The only thing you might have is a JSON, I guess, if you don't consider this text. But yeah, other than JSON and actual text, no, not really. Yeah, and here, I guess here you can also have like an example like this. Sample invoices. Oh yeah, I have to change the structure completely here. Because it's gonna be, here you have to also, I guess, define it like text to source, and then like to this. Huh? Oh wait, yeah, my apologies, not this one, this one. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Same with here and same with here. But here you're gonna have obviously an image. And here, I don't know, path to something. Path to image. think it's gonna work like this. I mean, obviously it's gonna work because my path is not right, but hypothetically speaking, it's gonna work. Oh, whoops. Python stuff. Yep, pretty much all I get. Am I the only one getting? You're getting what? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Celeb. Whatever they got here. Yeah, if you can elaborate, it'll be nice. Can I just change maybe something here? Oh wait, I just realized you guys, I kinda hide my code now. Yep, my apologies. Yeah, I think I fixed the error now. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, but so it's working. This is the code, I guess. If you guys also wanted this part for the emotes, the extract to image. Actually, mobile device is flickering and the audio issue as well. Yeah, this is working like a fine. Wow, okay, no idea then. From desktop, obviously, so didn't do much. Yeah, let me just do like a test then. Another test. No idea. Yeah, for me, I'm here like a char. But yeah, that's the, no, I'm not working for the AI 71. I'm just doing like a quick workshop for you guys to have like an idea of how it's gonna work. But if you're looking for someone that works there, we have. You guys can see my screen, probably not, right? Yeah. Oh, you can see like the one screen of the two. We have a shit. I cannot. Oopsie. We have a guy called Hassan. This guy. Okay, I'm trying to find a way to share you guys his profile without showing my text. Yeah, I don't know if I can, because I have some private conversation with him, but he's gonna look like this this profile. Yeah, also I guess if you go to the chat here and kind of scroll out a bit, where you can find him on the chat as well. No, 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 no. Yeah, there you go. Reply, mention off. One. There you go, that's the guy. Okay, guess that's all for now. That was my invoice automation using Falcon. Invoice processing code with, and also we did the image to text conversion. Obviously, it's not gonna work because I was not really prepared for that, and it's kinda But if you do this code and you just change the path to something actual invoices image, is gonna work like a charm, I believe. If it doesn't work, feel free to text me. We're here for you. And if you're looking for API key, as I already said before, go here, go to this URL here. I'm gonna send the guess again. To get your API keys, log into with your lab accounts. Really important. And yeah, keep hacking. Thank you guys for joining. I think like if it's here, it's it. Oh, last question. Sorry, before I call it a day. For this example we use is text. Is a text-based format, or I guess image format, I guess, for the second part. But you will need to use optical character recognition, then set it there. Then yeah, you can also do it. You have to use the optimal character recognition (OCR) and then extract the text from the image to the Falcon model. I think there is like called Tesseract. So wait, apologies, wrong browser. Tesseract. No, Python library. There you go. Yeah, Tesseract OCR. You have to install it and then implement it there and then get the text from the image and do it like this. Yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to text me when the stream. This is gonna be like for now for the recording part, I guess, and the stage part. But if you still have questions, you know my DMs, you know where am I. Feel free to text me or other mentors, and if you have a problem with anything else, really, yeah. Or Inam is also here. You can text him. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Call it a day.